BMO Global Asset Management App Pricing explained what you get for your money. BMO Global Asset Management provides a digital platform for managing mutual funds, IFs, and other investment products. Many people assume these apps are costly, but the pricing is surprisingly straightforward. The app is free to download, and account setup has no fees. Investment costs come primarily from fund management fees, which range from 0.5% to 1% annually, depending on the fund type. There are no commissions for buying BMO mutual funds through the app, and summits can be traded commission-free depending on your account. Most people get this wrong by thinking all investing fees are hidden. The surprising truth is that BMO clearly discloses management expense ratios and allows you to compare different funds side by side. For example, you could invest 0 in a balanced fund with a 0.75% MER and know exactly how much goes toward management costs. The platform also offers portfolio monitoring, goal tracking, and market insights, helping you make informed decisions without extra fees. Alerts notify you of changes in fund performance or market trends, keeping you in control of your investments. In conclusion, BMO Global Asset Management's app combines clarity, convenience, and professional fund management at transparent cost. Whether you're a new investor or looking to manage multiple funds, it provides a cost-effective, reliable way to invest and track your financial goals.